Good morning, good morning. It's a great morning to take a video. I'm Christina, I'm also the mobile home mama, and I know when there's some homes sitting outside of the factory, there's something probably special about them. So you can see here, this is our plant number 2, and in that plant, we've got some things going on in there. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but we are getting close to the Louisville show. So don't be surprised, we're testing out some new colors, new things, new options, new upgrades, new everything. And we really work hard to bring you the most innovative house that we can. So I'm standing outside a 16 by 76, and this is a prime home. Prime homes are usually built in Decatur, but we have put the Topeka touch on this one. Walking in, we call this home the Maiden, and the Maiden is gonna have a split floor plan, so you're walking wide into the living room. And I love the feature that they added on the wall here, an entertainment center with what we call a cool cedar type of panel. Very pretty. Heading around to the other side, here we're gonna have the kitchen. Everything is wide open in here. And in the prime homes, you're always gonna have this island that's sticking out from the wall. We do have a new prime home this year that is gonna have an island in the middle of the home, but in this particular version, in the Maiden, it's going to be attached to the wall here. And on the other side of the island is where you're gonna find the dishwasher and some more storage underneath of the sink. And then on the back side of the wall is where you're gonna find your stove and refrigerator. You can add a microwave over the range if you wanted to, but this home is just showing a hood, which is a standard feature. Always gonna find a pantry beside the refrigerators so far currently in our prime homes. And then heading right around the corner, let's get one more shot of this kitchen. How pretty is that? Chai oak on the cabinet. We've got a glacier quartzite on the countertop and a thunder on the floor. Heading down here around the corner, we're gonna run right into the utility room. Washer, dryer here, furnace, hot water heater on the other side, and a 200 amp electrical service. In the prime homes, they're built really well. Standard 200 amp electrical and standard 2x6 wall with the best insulation that you can find in a 2x6, which would be an R19. Here's our primary bath. You're gonna find your closet right inside of your bathroom, which is nice and convenient, with a single vanity here. And then also in the prime homes, you're gonna find the prime package, which would include a walk-in shower. Good morning. All right, let's head down to the other end of the home. Go down the short hallway and we're gonna run right into bedroom number 2. Let's take a peek in the closet. We've got white on the trim, Casper cashmere on the walls. That's a VOG wall. So it is a type of drywall, 3/8 of an inch to be exact, with a vinyl wrapping. Casper cashmere. Here's bath number 2. Here we're gonna find the standard tub shower combination, a single vanity, and a mirror, and also part of the prime package, you're gonna have a laminate backsplash. And last but not least, here's bedroom number 3 with about the same size closet as bedroom number 2. Couple things here. We've got an open house, September the 19th. Give me a call if you need a hotel room. We're gonna have some great deals going on that day. Also, please like and subscribe if you have come across my channel and you'd like to know more about some manufactured homes, specifically some Champion manufactured homes. My name is Christina. I'm the general manager of the retail center here in Topeka, Indiana, and I would love to meet you. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Thanks for watching.